Hello everyone, you know where I am. Yep, one of my two favorite places on earth. This happens to be Insurance Auto Auctions, IAA in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're looking for cool cars and trucks just to see what might strike our fancy, and maybe we are looking for something to add to the herd. I don't know, I'm up to 11 cars. I had to add them up in my head real quick. That might be a little bit much. We may have to thin the herd before we buy something else, because a lot of those cars have so much work that needs done to them. Like this car is probably beyond what I could do for it, but that's kind of scary. Other than that, there are some very easy fixes out here in the yard, and you don't have to be a dealer. You can come out and check them out yourself. So we're going to do that. We're going to show you some cars that you could park in the driveway for very little money. All right, let's get to work. Well, first up, a car that has a lot of damage, and it has more stickers than I have ever seen on a car. That's why I'm showing it to you, because the damage is pretty extensive. As you can see, I can probably guess why it is here and why it was doing what it was doing. Look at all the stickers. Sport Motorsports. Yep, that's my business. I call it Sport Motorsport. This is an S-Line, so this did go fast. Okay, this is a 2015 Audi A4 with racing stripes, Need for Speed stickers, more racing stripes. Everywhere you look, every panel has something on it. Here we go. We're fully charged, we're rocking and rolling, we're smiling like a demon right there, and we're crying. Why do you have, what is this? We're going so fast we're bleeding out of our, you know what? I don't know. Somebody went a little sticker happy. Here we go. If driven carefully, please report stolen. That tells me everything I need to know about the driver. Oh my gosh. This driver had just turned 16. He got his mom's credit card and he just ordered all of these stickers. He ordered all the stickers he could find that looked cool, including the Sport Motorsports. He even put the sticker over your roof, your sunroof. Okay, that's nice. That's really nice. What's going on the inside? Well, it's an automatic. I would have thought, oh, here we go. And he vaped. Yeah, this was a young kid who just lost control. He had this thing so tricked out. He thought it was going to be the best car in the world. He even put fake carbon fiber tape over the inserts. There you go. He missed this one. He forgot about this one. Oh my gosh, this is something right here. Okay, we have broken bits and pieces in the back. We have the airbag deployed, as you can see right there. The steering wheel airbag is deployed, but the damage is really, really extensive. I wonder if he did anything to the engine. Other than stickers, he even did this on the headlights. Why? Why would you do this? Did he even do anything to the engine? See all the water coming out? Stock. So he didn't do anything to the engine, but he sure put a lot of stickers on the outside. So that was fun. Okay, now let's be a little more serious and find something else with maybe a little. Oh, it also had these stripes right here, like Wolverine had scratched it. Yeah, that's something. Okay, let's find a car with fewer stickers. One thing I'm noticing, these GLKs are showing up en masse at the auto auctions. I don't know why. They are just everywhere. There are probably 8 here in Tulsa. I don't know. Some of them are, it's been a bad accident. Some of them look okay. All of them have that cheap seat covering, that fake leather stuff that just rips after a couple of years at the seams. All of them have that problem, but these things are showing up everywhere. Now let's back up and let me show you this. This is a vehicle. You want something nice, you want something that'll do what you want it to do. Check this out. Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road Edition in a very cool, I don't even know what color I would call this. Almost, I don't know, moss green or something. That's good looking. That is really nice. And I like the wheels. I like the tires. There is tread left. You got the Dirt King suspension or lift kit. Maybe that's what that is right there, because it looks to be a little bit taller than it is supposed to be. I don't see any damage though. I really don't. I don't know why she's here, but she is a good looking car. Man, this is nice. She's been used. Someone used her. Someone worked her like she needs to be used and worked. You got the cover for your back right here. Look at this. Okay. This would make a great little tow vehicle. Maybe I should look into something like this instead of my 500,000-mile Escalade. This is gorgeous. Look at that, the way it sparkles. And you've got this here and then this. That is really gorgeous. We're still looking for damage. I don't see any. I really don't, which makes me worried. Did she take on water? Well, we got a little ding right there. That's nothing at all. I like the guard here. It's a real guard. Well, let's hop in. You're missing a cover here. The windshield is intact. Well, I'm gonna make you wait. Let's look at the back seat first. She'll clean up great. She really will. Vinyl seats. Kind of a, let me make up a word. Oceanic smell. It smells like a dead fish in there. Okay, this could be a sign of what's to come. Maybe she's a flood vehicle? I mean, this is dirty. It's not wet anymore. I don't see any, but someone was definitely fishing around in here. Okay, well, lots of parts over there. Oh, well, look at this. So someone was getting in here just to kind of dry it all out. There's your cover for the front. This is your cover for your transmission. Here's your transmission knob. Goes right there. Here's your little one that goes right there for your four-wheel drive. I don't know what's going to happen. Let's just kind of see. We're going to put our foot on the brake. Well, that sounds nice. $19,000 miles. I guess we have some kind of a suspension issue right here. Anti-lock brake system malfunction. Quarter of a tank of gas, pre-collision system malfunction. ABS light is on, traction control. Door is open. Airbag malfunction. So what happened? They were trying to get back into here too. I think she got wet and they were just kind of cleaning her out. I really do. There's a little bracket. Radio air conditioning works fantastic. But the engine sounds good. It's just, this has got me kind of worried right there. What's the manufacturing date? 6 of 22. So this is a year old. Let's look at the engine. I'm loving the color. I really am. It's so different. It is very, very different. And there we go. Solid as a rock. No problems at all right there. This is a clean engine too. Wow. All right, let me know what you think. Is this, why is she here? Why did someone decide to get rid of her? That's nice. This is beautiful. Okay, well, 2022 Toyota 4Runner in moss green over black. It's lifted to the gods. And finally, if we're being honest, I hate these things. I do. I am sorry. This is a 1998 Chrysler Concord. It's like a giant suppository to me. I don't know. They just, This was not Chrysler's best, in my opinion. And if you love these, I'm sorry. Everybody is entitled to their own opinion. This thing, it looks like a fish from right there. It looks like a pill that you swallow so you can, you know, poo in the morning. It's just something to behold, okay? And I don't even know if she's going to start. I haven't seen one of these in a long, long time. I haven't even seen one of these in the junkyard. This is the LX from Quinn Chrysler. Oh my goodness, this is... they're just... I don't know. And this smells like a smoker's car. It does. It smells like an ashtray. It's... Oh. Uh-oh. We got a timing belt in the back. I hope that's not an indication of what's to come. Let's just see what's happening here. I don't see a whole lot of damage either. The paint, you could save the paint. I don't know how you want to, but we've got a lot of lifting of the materials on the inside. This is, oh my gosh. I had a Chrysler convertible, what was it, like the Sebring thing back in the day, and driving it off the auction, not the auction block. Oh, we have power. Driving it off of the dealer lot, I hated it. I just knew, it was a horrible 6 months of ownership. Anyway, let's see what happens with her. Well, she's alive. What would you... Oh my gosh. 101,000 miles. This is a 98 and it has 100,000 miles. ABS light is on, traction is off. Woo! Low. Let's just turn this on and see what happens. You're gonna make me look like a fool, little car, aren't you? Because everything's gonna work. Everything is gonna work on this thing. Yep, she moves, she runs, she drives. We have tobacco everywhere. I mean everywhere. All kinds of weird things back in here. Oh, here we go. New tires, new radiator. They didn't want to write out new, so they did the quotation marks. Talk about lazy. New radiator, new brakes, pads and rotors, new timing belt, new front struts, new battery, replaced camshaft position sensor. Someone was so proud of the work they did, and it's paid off. Because it sounds good. She really does. We have some Primo. What is this? Designer Imposter fragrance. If you like Giorgio, you'll love Primo. Well, we got to give it a try. Let's see. No, that's... I'm sorry, that does not smell like... Oh my goodness. Now the whole... Well, now we have tobacco mixed in with Primo, which is not El Primo. Oh, air conditioner is trying to blow cold, but it's not. It's really not. We have... Oh, now we know who the owner... Yep, okay, that's the owner's information right there. Gary was proud of his car. Gary did a lot of work onto it. And let's see what the engine looks like. Let's see how Gary's mechanics skills pan out. You got to push your bumper in right there. A lot of sparkles in the paint. Hold on. Here we go. There it is. Ugh. Well, Gary did good. Okay, even the struts are holding, but it's been a while since that work was done because we've had rodents move in. We've had some big old rodents move in. This engine sounds great. Gary has proved me wrong. Check out this. Ooh. That's a big old bug. That's a bug. All right. Good job, Gary. She runs good. She drives a little bit. We may have a bit of a vacuum leak. I don't know if that's just what it sounds like or if there's a hose somewhere. But this, we got some poo and everything right there. Yeah, the vermin have moved in. The car has proven me wrong. You know, if I found a 1998 Mercedes, more than likely it wouldn't start. It absolutely would not have started. This old Chrysler started, and she moved, and she's gonna make somebody a great car. So everything I said about you, honey, I am sorry, I take it back. You are beautiful, you are gorgeous, and you are dependable. Low mileage is 101,000 miles. So good job, Gary. We just got to work on the air conditioning. That's the only thing. What about the windows? Oh yeah, of course they do. Yeah, it's been a while since they've been open. This one doesn't work. What about this one over here? Oh wait, this one goes to that one. Yeah. So this one is the one that doesn't work. That's missing the little piece of trim. Okay. Seat is kind of comfortable. You want to see what's in the trunk? I'm having fun in this old Chrysler. This is... Oh my gosh. Let's see what Gary put in the back. Oh, look at how big that trunk is. I am sorry, Chrysler Concord, for ever doubting you. This is it's kind of shallow, but it is huge back here. And an old-time bottle cap. Boulevard Brewing, Kansas City. Wow. Okay. Yeah, I take back everything I've said bad about these cars. That's giant. You could put 4 pairs of golf clubs or 3 bodies back there. Absolutely. Okay. Well, you made me look like a fool. Well, from a car full of stickers that didn't run and probably never did, to a car with 0 stickers and no frills car that runs and drives great. 1998 Chrysler Concord has made me look bad. So, yeah, you got some gluing to do if you're interested in this Concorde. Yeah, every door handle needs to be re-glued, which isn't a major thing. Not a major thing at all. But she runs, she goes into she goes into reverse and drive. You do have traction control and your ABS light. Fix those 2 things and you'll have a great, great car. So Gary, congratulations to you. Did I just snap? Why did I do that? Where did that come from? The Kappa snap back in my fraternity days? That's what they did all the time. Kappas. That sorority. Uh-oh. It just tried to die. It's not getting hot or anything, but it tried to die. Okay, well, before something bad happens, we're going to turn it off, and we're going to say thank you for watching, and we're back with another video very, very soon. All right? Bye-bye.